high power delegation or them have.
Come to
Asante mantem ha. Eba one more munim de. Eba party sem. Eba assembly sem. Papa for we mean we from ye.
Yeah, no correct.
Na menim se ma beto mo ha. We say come jire chiro.
Dog, we have a code there.
I did channel pana takremada bo dwem na moja ADF Sania. Wo do nyame ase wi a. Na wase nyame nshama krowura. Opemso. One na hemfo. Omo Asante mantem ye chia wo mo papa ne ase nyame nsra e de ama omo. Unze NPP. I mean child the Ghana ye two former president. His Excellency John Ajekum Kofo and His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Ne ebi aso omo so. Your party national leadership, the general secretary, OST affairs. At this time, me I don't very envy him as a general secretary because pressuring you too much. What do I say? I want for to be called deep on the power. No, we are as general secretary. Can you imagine this? But you know, no. Oguso ST affairs. Now about the mighty minority. Maybe Obiano, Imami, Madam Patricia PG, the deputy minority leader. Mfakonya Yusufan Chiomo. You go suka crack.
Anyway, Nyame say na what forms are be?
Oh, and then na party no, just say mo no. Ye be nomination. Na Friday mo ni nyina ba wie. I say me the way secretaries ni organizers no say they will not even allow me to go there. One more coffee forms in their brain.
Oh, I see.
Oh, yeah.
There's one more endorse it.
But 4 years ago, secretary for say, I'm Mr. Romo. Organizers meet me now, Mr. Romo. Eti, this time round now, I'm say, I don't appear. Uncle Bioni there. Sa position, they need somebody. I want to bread once. We need somebody or you're visible. You need somebody on my man also. So of friends when man pick a crown or bit my side, I throw back. Or what's our commander a person or person or some party no. Or makes me come master my head. And that's the reason why Omenia say, some position they won't give it to any other person than Francois. What do I say?
Dr. Francis Adomako.
I'm Brazilian, you broke one so.
Yes.
Maya ready. Maya battle ready, say. Sad, you know. Yes, you say your party or regime. Party, you know. Look, the party needs to be attractive. Again. What do I say? And we for some time now, many chairman no kwapi and Nama Yabo Pro. Every weekend be a concert. What do I say?
Chairman, they also want to know the Nanti because Mate. Me who can't win in a secretary akunya de benju on the office be na better as we went to do secretary no but say chairman Matthew also come be say on first 100 days no be make sure say obey yes shortcut na mercy party office so what it means is that ubenya baby atena adwuma but see idea this okay man
said the was mini office mini office. It's no Nyame adom na say obeye regional chairman. Ye nyina be boa ama party office let my head. But me say opoma so obi a onim de pa onim panyifo. Na ya radio o hwe. Since ya kwase na ya radio man nipa 100 no moa na final ye nsi party office na ya radio ni bo o betima aboye wo sa kwan so. Enti ye be pa ye ni abre pa.
I see. It is a see idea. O call secretary ewo Ashanti region.
Nyame ncha de CA de ene se e fa form ne feel na ye present we a ye yesterday to one am.
Okay. And the na party muhunu say region mu no omo also mu here from your office omo nya e ma say also bana ba be say adwuma de bo omo.
Yeah, unim say akwai say obobo na o midfield a break. Who's obi or method no on the cheap pass ye bibia kama day in and day out on but I say the petition about region I ask myself petition the way why do we have to sit down and let various grievances at the polling station electoral area constituency escalate? Yen so non tem. na preoccupy na fe na agye nsɛm hwɛ problems bebree cause for constituency at this time enya nsisi na ɛhyɛ ase o ɛhyɛ ase akyɛ sɛ nka yɛsɔ ano ntɛm a nka ɛnnuru baabi ayɛ dɛ ɛduru 2028 we need power ɛno nti na me in one breath I'm not so happy about nkɔfo a wɔn nam a wɔn sɛ wɔn nkɔfo nko ara na ɛmɛyɛ constituency ɛnyɛ kasa papa o de ase even yàtò constituency awie wɔn a wɔn lose yɛn nyinaa no masate fafo na efirafira wɔn.
Okay.
We need to find something for them to do. And so enimdia ekura wɔn no abandi akwakoto a wɔn lose but doesn't mean that knowledge should go waste. There are so many things at the polling station. So many things at the electoral area at the constituency as some for no you bet me up a bibi mo maire aye dia boa party no anye bia no walusu o abusuafo o nafofo o school o koye asori a odom say yehu say even one mo a mo ben no kra hu say waye active or ye party adwuma no o free mu o mu say wonye constituency officer there. But actively, we involve at the constituency level, they will all be happy. Wouldn't say not too long ago, there are two presidential primaries. Wouldn't say the party fully number together. I organized inter-officers gala. Mensia South. Oh yes. What did I say? I always sit down and want to do something new. Sure. But yes, our program now. Koka Wabruchi, Napo Wabruchi, they took a phone and called me. Francois, how did you do it? Sir, program why you we would make sure say subsequently every year be you're very implicated because manager officer be all stakeholders of the party was brought on board. Not too long ago, let me say our regional council of elders. Do you know them? Do you know them? Good. Ever since I'm a regional organizer, the only regional officer, every year I go to them and I appreciate them. This year I did something extra. Father's Day, I celebrated them. We know your lunch. We sat down at a pia coffee. Your lunch, the day, we in a mau beer hamper, Joe beer sokwan. Let me trust you, woman to me for. Quite best in your bed, Bobo regional, near making sure you move regional forward. This is the kind of person I am. Say, regime, you will 50 institutions. Okay? Over 50. Test on the Mranti and Baba, person who dom the new patriotic party. A gentleman at home. Say, first semester, second semester, we will call who party officer, who be MMDC, who CEO. War banning cry, because I'm being invited, they won't come. As we call na Francois me no go kasa show bun crying say yi boma de the moment me free constituency me last 4 years and now constituency secretary Francois we want you to be a leader because the way I was in organizers
secretary for one person so
yes
okay
what I say maybe your regional organizer training programs across from polling station to the constituency level. Me moving from one constituency to the other. Eko chile ubia do my just away. Oh yeah. My workshop for organizers, youth, women, Nasara. The ever since me who so ubia you be that say or they all organizers, 94 organizers, 94 women, 94 Nasara, youth, 376 officers on one stage. Me chairman don't go up here. I'm chairman. Me maybe I am at the workshop. Because my boy Prophet Smart Sapon any a cuckoo dam be free Christ. So my training one my workshop mom. But I'm looking at a venue. Or say, oh, come and take my place. And who ensured me be beyond Papa for Hoka. And that's the reason why me no opportunity beyond me travel with you. So I have to thank him for what he has done for me so far. What did I say?
Already made him.
What did I say? Oh, because one year, but who can't watch some train now? now what was our plan? So, and that workshop has never been done before. It's your best party. I want to be a servant leader. Say, Monsumame, or family sister, Kunyaniso. The memoir, Emma Jumadieno, and Cosso or regime. What you're making us say? Because look, the region needs to be more attractive again. A quiet band soon, the Bema region, I yet attractive view. Program band, you bet my your regime. Now sometimes we call institutions. What is the plan? Say SRC election, but we na NPP for no one. Obia mwa woman na bia wometimi kra contest positions. Looks election. What do I say? Charlie ni mani na no. We'll see how best we'll coordinate and coordinate it well in the region.
Because what you manage there, very important.
Because look, Masevo and the Sampain, Masevo and the Adumapia, look, with the little apprentice, Monsieur Mapomo, it is no more woman. Imagine in the F. Poma, imagine in the F. Nanaho, I'm a foot so. I will listen to them and make sure that we will make sure the region no are fun to my papa in it.
Dr. Francis Adumakon.
I'm brushing your book,
who here?